It's a beautiful day. Today we're working on the motorhome. As y'all remember, the inside we had to totally strip everything. Well, today we have to remove all these little screws. We're gonna laminate these pieces that I've made up, but there's these old screws here that we have to get out. Right here's the bowing. We got a real bad bow. On the outside, we'll have to use a flat piece of wood pushing against it to get this all flat, and then laminate over top of that, and we'll get it all squared up. I don't know if you can see, we've got this area here is where we're gonna laminate wood like this to this surface. We've got contact cement on there drying. We've got contact cement up here drying. We're just leaving this piece in place so we know where to set, because once you set contact cement, it's do or die, one time only. And then outside, we've these two pieces ready, drying. We're getting there. Another couple minutes. Hello everyone, welcome to the upper bunk. We're gonna start our framing project. Base plate here, and then we're gonna build the top header, and then we'll start doing our studs after that. Let's get started. Ground down a little slot. Get up in here. We have to take another little tiny shave off of this end here. Right, I got the first piece fit. Now we'll do this at superhuman speed. So in conclusion, tonight we did about 2 hours worth of work. Got it all framed up nicely. Just have some clamps on there, just holding that glue right here to the outer skin, just to make that nice and square. Nice funky corner up there. Okay, so now I'm almost at where the motorhome was when we bought it. So right behind me, I'm gonna do that tomorrow, that piece of white there. And then we'll just put a big memory foam mattress, I think, over this whole area. But I want to run some wiring in here while it's open. I just bought a wireless camera system, and it has a built-in recording system. So if ever there's an accident or something, allergy season, whether there's an accident in front or behind us, we'll have that. So hopefully, oh, and there's the new LED light. She rocks all right now. I told you I'm in the motorhome. Come here. Don't be screaming. Holy cow. Anybody else have 4-year-olds? So I have to remove a bit of material on here so I can